Hi there, this is Mark at Amigh's Outdoor Living, and I'd like to tell you about Breeo Smokeless fire pits. It's an American-made company using top-quality stainless steel and Corten steel to give you a smokeless fire pit. You get smoke from a fire from a couple of reasons. Not enough oxygen to the fire, not enough heat in the fire, or the wrong fuel to be used. So if you use good quality wood in a Breeo fire pit, their construction technology will help eliminate the smoke. And the way they do that is through a couple of features, one being their X design in the bottom of the fire pit. It's a method that air comes into the bottom of the fire. You get oxygen into that flame that will make it that will give it hotter, that will produce more heat. Another way they get rid of that is they use a double wall construction. And in that double wall construction of the outer ring of the fire pit, the oxygen comes in on the outside, the air comes in from underneath, it gets superheated inside that double wall construction and comes out through some vents at the top of the fire, and essentially it re-burns the smoke. You get a secondary combustion. So the combination of more heat from the greater oxygen that comes into that fire gets you a recombustion of the smoke and eliminates the smoke from your fire. Breeo is made in 3 different sizes. There's a 19-inch, a 24, and a 30-inch size. And it also has 2 different design types. One is stainless steel completely all around for a more modern look. The other is a Corten steel, which will develop kind of a patina over time, give you a little bit of a rust look to it, and it provides really nice color and accent as you're there. The really great thing about Breeo is it's a smokeless fire pit, plus it's a cooking fire pit. So let me show you a few features that they have that you can actually cook on this fire pit. Here we have a Breeo set up with the various cooking options you can add on to it. Essentially, you're going to start with your fire pit, get a nice fire going in there, and everybody likes a wood flamed cook. But what you can do here is you can add several different features. You can add this sear plate to it. This is a 22-pound plate of carbon steel, and it turns your fire pit into a griddle. You can make steaks on there, you can cook vegetables on there, you could cook your fish right on there. Another option is the Outpost Grill. This feature right here, you could connect in, you could raise and lower this. You can cook your steak on here, fish, whatever you may want over the fire. You can raise it up if you don't want it too close. And it also comes with a ground stake. So if you're out with an actual fire around a campfire at the campgrounds, you can jam this into the ground and cook over it. You could also get the hook. You can get this nice cast iron kettle. Oh, great for soups and stews. So I think the thing that really sets Breeo apart, there are several of them actually, it's American made. Some people in Lancaster, Pennsylvania are making these items. It's really top quality stainless steel construction, really solid, going to last you a long time. You get a smokeless fire, so you don't have smoke in your eyes, your clothes don't end up smelling like smoke. It radiates a lot of heat from that double wall construction. And on top of that, you get this cooking option between the sear plate, the Outpost Grill, the kettle that you get for it also. So come on in and look at these Breeo fire pits. They're really a lot of fun. You'll be impressed by how they're made. We have them here at Amigh's Outdoor Living. Thanks so much.